Hello, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Suzuki Vitara, stock number 6254. This ran from the 8th 2008 to the 12th 2018. It has a J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy manual tyre. Left front door 4 dents. Left rear door 3 dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy manual tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy manual tyre. Right rear door 4 dents. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy manual tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,